going? What do you shoot here?
What was that?
What do you like to shoot here?
I've never been here before.
Oh, okay.
Like, Chelsea and James, so it's like,
Oh. I just came back to and it was like super rainy today, and I have a lens I want to try out, so then I was like, screw it, I'll come down under the bridge, it's not going to be raining here.
No, but it's perfect, and all the like fog and the clouds up there, it's all
Did you guys walk all the way down?
We have not, no.
Not yet.
Start here.
There's always like wedding photographers and stuff right here, so it's like it gets crowded. So I figured it'd be empty today since it was raining.
Rainy day? Okay.
Yeah.
Right, get out of your way.
You should get a picture of yourselves in the shot. What?
Like, I mean, if you want to.
I can do it for you, like
Sure.
just right here.
Be right here?
No.
Sure, why not?
Could be like your new biopic.
Right? Here.
Is it already locked in? It's
It is
ready
locked
to go?
in.
Okay. Okay, hold on. 1, 2, 3. And then can you stand on top of that? Just stand on top of that so I don't see it.
There you
So I don't have to Photoshop it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Sure.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Here, I gotta come back. Like I said, we live down south, so it's,
Uh-huh.
we don't get up here very often, but this is sick.
Do you guys do weddings and stuff, or
I do, yeah.
you do?
And I have a few shoots up here in the next few weeks, and I literally just text the person like, hey, even if it's raining, we can come here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, have a great day.
Okay. Bye bye. Are you guys doing a photo shoot for a restaurant or something?
Our friends are going to be proposing here.
Oh, how cool!
Yeah.
I see the sign now.
Yeah.
How early are you?
We're for like a half hour early or something.
Oh, good. Plenty of time.
I know, yeah, we have our 2 cameras.
And this is good even if it rains, right?
Yeah, because it's
So-
undercover.
Well,
Pretty
and we're
sweet.
hoping the rain has passed. We've been checking the Doppler all day. Like, oh, is it going to be pouring when he gets here? Like,
Can I take a picture of your set?
oh, of course.
Yeah, we have pillows too, but we're working on it.
It's really pretty. I thought that you guys were having a picnic. I was like, what are they doing down there?
Well, kind of.
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah, I think we'll have one of us stand up there, and then the other will be on the corner, and we'll just.
We'll make do.
Yeah.
We're not like professionals. We're just.
Yeah.
We have 2 nice cameras. So
It
we're
look
like,
you look
"Well,
you look pretty professional to me.
I'm trying.
Do you want to take a picture of you two together?
I mean, we're already married.
You're already married.
We're fine, I think.
Okay.
We have enough
Yeah.
photos
Thank
together.
you
Okay.
so much.
All right.
We have our nice wedding photos.
Okay. Did you have wedding photos here?
No, we did wedding photos. We did most of
At Laowa Lake.
Yeah.
Laowa
our
Lake.
engagement Photos
We
were
did our
Eastern
engagement
Oregon.
photos there.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then all of our wedding photos were at our venue. So.
Right on. Okay. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.